Hello students, this is my second class and this class is related to data and information. In previous class, I was discussing about the entire syllabus of computer science 11th standards, and in this class I am going to start chapter 1, and this chapter is related to computer system organization. And in this chapter, first topic is data and information. Data, information. When we start working in computer, first thing come in mind, and that is data. And students, I want to make you aware that computer is also known as data processor machine. Why computer is called data processor machine? Because computer needs instruction to start working. So, in this class, I want to make clear about the data and information. In computer, when we input something, that input material is either character, capital A to Z and a small a to Z, number 0 to 9, special character, that is hash, @ and more, audio, video, text and images, these all are called data. Characters A to Z capital and A to Z small, number 0 to 9, special character, hash, @ and so many types of symbols, audio, video, text and image. These all are part of data. When we arrange this data in proper way, this becomes information. And when data is unorganized, it is called data. How this can be done? For proving this, I want to take an example. First, we input data in computer, computer process it, and after processing it produces result, and this result is meaningful, and this meaningful result is called information. We give data as input and we take result as information, and this is processing area. Means data is unorganized, meaningless, and information is organized and meaningful. This is called data and this is called information. I want to put another example. Suppose 1 Ram 11th. This is data. When we say Ram is a student of 11th standard and whose roll number is 1. This is information. 1 Ram and 11th. This is data. But when we tell about this, Ram is a student of 11th standard and his roll number is 1. This is information. Now I want to discuss about IPO cycle of computer. IPO cycle of computer. What is IPO cycle? First thing is input, second one is processing, and third is output. You can see in this diagram data, processing and information. This is IPO cycle. I want to add one more thing about the working principle of computer, and that is GIGO. GIGO means garbage in, garbage out. When we supply incorrect data in computer, when we supply wrong data in computer, we always get wrong result. So this is called garbage in, garbage out. Means output depends upon our input. Which input is correct, computer produce proper output, computer produce correct outputs, and this is GIGO. Now I want to make a diagram, and that diagram is very popular. Students, you can see this very popular diagram, and this diagram is given by famous computer scientist John von Neumann. This diagram is very popular for understanding the working process of our modern computer. As you know, modern computer is invented by Charles Babbage, and he is known as father of computer. What the internal processing, the internal diagram is given by John von Neumann. For giving this idea, we can say John von Neumann is second father of computer, because this diagram is working. This diagram is implemented in modern computer system. You can see this diagram. This box is CPU, and there is 3 unit: CU, ALU, registers, control unit, arithmetical and logical unit, and this is register. This is CPU, central processing unit, and this is input unit. Input unit, that is keyboard, mouse, scanner. These are part of input unit. When input unit supply the data, CPU reads this, and you can see the primary memory. Primary memory is linked with the CPU, and primary memory is linked with secondary memory. Data is stored in secondary memory, comes in primary memory, and primary memory is touched with computer system, and these are the entire processing of the system. And after processing, we see the result on output unit, and that is monitor, that is printer. You can see this diagram is very popular. Please learn this diagram, please make this diagram in copy and see it again and again. For watching more on computer, please wait for our next video.